magniX is an electric propulsion company focused on commercial aviation. Our goal is to enhance global prosperity by connecting communities like they've never been connected before. When you're doing a revolution like we're doing and electrifying an industry, you have to be first to market to really make a change and lead the way. ANSYS helps us be first to market. The question of why electrification in aerospace is really a question of why not. You're looking at really good jet engines and turbine engines with efficiencies of 30, 35, sometimes some claim 40%. You look at an electric motor like what we're providing, and you're at over 95% efficiency. There's just no comparison.
The motor incorporates all sorts of challenges that we must face, and the tools that we have in the ANSYS suite really help us kind of poke around and tinker with all these unique problems and see how they interrelate.
Basically, our products will replace the current gas-guzzling, emission-creating engines that fly the aircraft today. We'll be able to do it quieter, we'll be able to do it cleaner, and we'll be able to do it at much lower cost.
So simulation is quite key in our design process. From our initial concepts to our final product, we go through various series of iteration of simulations, and each of these simulations contribute to our final product and our design.
If we had to build everything we were trying, every inverter, every motor, every aspect of that motor or inverter, and we had to build them in order to try them, it would take us years before we ever had anything to even try on the ground, let alone in the air. On a daily basis, we use the ANSYS simulation models to see all those elements: fluid dynamics, airflows, stress on the motors when the propeller, for example, is turning. What does that do to the motor in terms of radial stress, etc.?
You don't have to worry about maybe compatibility issues. It's literally just an open workbench, and you can open all the analysis tools. It's very easy and intuitive to use.
We have to have the parties around us, be it our suppliers, our customers, or the regulatory authorities, be able to look and say, we know that simulation model, we understand that it's as true as possible to what's happening in reality, and we'll accept the results of it. And so there are very few companies in the world that have that level of modeling and simulation that were acceptable to what we needed, and ANSYS was the choice for us. It's really about how do you connect communities with low-cost, clean air transportation.
To be involved in that at such an early stage is really exciting to me, because you get to really have a say in what happens.
Because if you do that, you open the door to the movement of people and goods like never before. So that's really the end game.